Experience the harmonious blend of spacious homes.
Welcome to DHC New Homes. It is one-stop solution for all new home buying and investment needs. We are RERA registered advisors. We specialize in serving HNIs, NRIs and new home buyers with our A1 developers top 3 project suggestions according to your requirements. Virtual site visits, give bottom rate, free interior designing consultation, free movers and packers and personalized service. Choose DHC for a seamless and professional experience. All of this with zero brokerage. Call us on given number or visit our website www.dhcnewhomes.com now.
Welcome back guys to DHC New Homes channel. This is your host Smita and today we are exploring Wadhwa Group's Courtyard at Thane. So this is a very nicely built up premium build up quality project with community living and abundant privacy with the limited premium 2 and 3 bedroom residences in Courtyard Thane. So they provide air-conditioned bedrooms which are comfortable and spacious enough for the royalty. If you have not subscribed to our channel DHC New Homes yet, then do subscribe to our channels to get every updates about the new real estate projects in Mumbai. Now this is a premium project by Wadhwa Group at Thane. So they consist of 2 and 3 BHK homes with premium amenities and facilities which makes the project even beautiful. They provide Vastu compliant houses with a RERA registered. It provides a multi-story project with 5 towers each with 2 basements plus still parking and 29 floors. Located at the Pokharan Road number 2, which is known for a sought after residential localities in Thane, it is well connected to all the important hubs in the city, offering robust social infrastructure and is situated close proximity to the Mumbai Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Your new home at Courtyard is where 30 plus amenities complementing your demanding lifestyle and entailing the lifelong picture perfect views from the home. So they consist of 2 BHK and the prices starts from 1.25 CR onwards. The project highlights we can say are it is excellent connected to the metro station and by road and rail. The providing multi-tier security with access control and CCTV. With special amenities providing personal spaces and higher spaces inside your room and minimal wastage. So you can say the spacious rooms are there and with a almost zero wastage. So it is spread over approximately 1.4 million square meter with 20,000 satisfied customers over 100 plus MNC corporate entitles. For a 2 BHK, the carpet area starts from 537 square feet and goes till 762 square feet with a pricing from 1.25 CR to 1.70 CR onwards. And for a 3 BHK, the square feet area starts from 1170 square feet to 1319 square feet and prices starts from 3.2 CR to 3.5 CR. It consists of 5 towers with premium amenities like the clubhouse, the jogging track, the swimming pool, ground and playground for the kids, yoga and meditation zone, 24-hour security and many more amenities. So if you want to do a gym or you want to do a swimming pool, if you want to have a spa, if you want to go to a theater, then Courtyard has all it in it. The location is it's near the Siddhanchal Housing Society, Pawarnagar, Thane West, and it is close proximity to the major landmarks and the hospitals. So the Bethany Hospital is near it and the Courtyard is next to the Bethany Hospital with all the restaurants and schools near it. So all in all, a nice location. Call us for more details.